Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video, we're going to have a look at how we can find and use the GCD and LCM, or Greatest Common Divisor and Least Common Multiple, on the Casio fx-CG50 graphing calculator. If you don't have one of these calculators but would like one, check the link in the description below. To do this, we'll use the Option key that looks like this, located here, the comma key that looks like this, located here, the bracket keys that look like this, located here, and the F1 through F6 keys that look like this, located across the top here. Let's say we're given the GCD of 28 and 35 and want to solve it. To do this, first we have to navigate to the GCD function. To get there, first we hit the Option key so that we see this menu here. Then we hit the F6 to go to the next menu where we see above F4 numeric. We select that so that we see this menu here now. And again, we hit F6 to go to the next set of options. Now we see above F2 GCD and above F3 LCM. So if we were trying to find the GCD, or greatest common divisor, of 28 and 35, we hit F2 for GCD. Now we see GCD on our screen with a bracket. We can enter the first number, so 28, and then a comma. And then the second number, which was 35, and close our brackets, and hit EXE. And there we go. The GCD of 28 and 35 is 7. For LCM, or least common multiple, we can use the LCM function above F3 on the same menu. So if we wanted to find the LCM of 9 and 15, we would just hit F3, and then the first number, which was 9, comma, the second number, which was 15, close our brackets, and hit EXE. And there we go. The least common multiple of 9 and 15 is 45. What if we want to find the GCD or LCM of more than two numbers? Like, for example, the GCD of 100, 25, and 10. To do that, we put one GCD function inside of the other. So we start with, let's say, GCD, and then the first number, 100, and then the comma, and then GCD again. The second number, which was 25, comma again, and then the final number, which was 10, and then close both sets of brackets and hit EXE, and we see we get the GCD, or greatest common divisor, of 100, 25, and 10 is 5, which is correct. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope this has been helpful. If it has, you can help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe for more calculator tips in the future. And, as always, good luck on those tests out there, everybody. You've got this.